White Rabbit is a song written by Grace Slick and recorded by the American rock band Jefferson Airplane for their 1967 album Surrealistic Pillow. It was released as a single and became the band's second top 10 success, peaking at number 8 on the Billboard Hot 100. The song was ranked number 478 on Rolling Stone's list of the 500 greatest songs of all time and number 116 on Rate Your Music's top singles of all time, and appears on the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame's 500 songs that shaped rock and roll. White Rabbit was written and performed by Grace Slick while she was still with the Great Society. Slick quit them and joined Jefferson Airplane to replace their departing female singer, Sean Tooley Anderson, who left the band with the birth of her child. The first album Slick recorded with Jefferson Airplane was Surrealistic Pillow, and Slick provided 2 songs from her previous group, her own White Rabbit and Somebody to Love, written by her brother-in-law Darby Slick and recorded under the title Someone to Love by the Great Society. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.